Today, in this mini virtual lesson, we are learning about prepositions of place. In, u. We are in Venice, Italy. Mi smo u Veneciji, u Italiji. On, na. Now, we are on a boat. Sada smo na čamcu. In front of, ispred. There is a big cruiser in front of us. Ispred nas je veliki kruzer. Between, između. The Venetian lagoon lies between the two rivers. Venecijanska laguna leži između dve rijeke. Opposite, preko puta. There is a church opposite us. Preko puta nas je crkva. By, pored. Some people are standing by the water. Neki ljudi stoje pored vode. Into, unutar. Let's go into the basilica. Hajdemo unutar bazilike. Above, iznad. We are now above the St. Mark's Square. Mi smo sada iznad trga Svetog Marka. At, na. We are at the top of the bell tower. Na vrhu smo zvonika. The end, my friend. See you soon.